Oh my God! Nakakaloka! Sumakay ako ng bus. Tapos, pag-gising ko na, dito na ako sa Session Road. OMG! Ang lamig dito. Charan! Good morning everyone and hello mga matitibay. Good morning everyone and hello mga matitibay. Welcome to another episode of Miss Matibay Adventures. Hi everyone and hello mga matitibay, and I will take you to another dimension of adventure. So when you're doing nothing and everything and someone sent you a private message that he is in Baguio and you also want to go there, so you will push for that. Why? Because it's your rest day. And you don't want to miss the opportunity to have some adventure. Okay, so let's start by preparing what needs to be done before going there. So we have to make impake and everything. And I would like to shout out a good friend of mine, my pareng Donus.
Hi.
Gaga, dapat harap mo sa sarili mo yung ilaw. Ayan. Okay, so nakaka-excite tong adventure na to kasi I've been to Baguio 3 or 4 times, but after how many years, ngayon ulit ako babalik, and kakaiba to kasi nagbablog na ako before. Hindi naman ako vlogger and everything, pero I'm pretty sure this is going to be such a great adventure. Oh yes, come on!
Yay! Oh yes, come on! Welcome to Vlogs, this channel.
Okay, so before we go, we need to make sure that we have everything on hand. So we need to prepare. So basically, kailangan natin mag-impake, and we're talking about the clothes that we're going to bring, the paraphernalia like our power bags and all of those stuff. And of course, we should not forget our essentials. Being a woman, you should always bring your essentials like feminine wash, sanitary napkins, and all those stuff. Okay, let's come on. Okay, it's blur. Okay, so this is the very first time that I'm going to tour you around in the pad that I am renting. Sige, dito na. Okay, so we're going to Baguio. We need to make sure that the weather there is kind of cold. What's this? So we need to make sure that we are all covered up with something that will make us feel warm. Kasing warm nung tao na pinapangarap natin, hindi yung taong malamig na ang lamig-lamig at iiwan din tayo sa bandang huli. Charot! Okay, so kailangan ko ng mga damit na hindi ako giginawin doon. Alam mo na, Baguio. Parang nakakalungkot no? Pupunta ka sa isang place na malamig, tapos mag-isa ka lang. Tapos pabiyahe ka mag-isa. Pero di ko kaya bumitaw! Eto, may nakita akong damit dito. Uy, maganda to. Pre, naalala mo ba to? Baka mga hirap natin sa kanila.
Yan o. Pre, napakaganda.
Naalala mo ba itong damit na to, pre?
Oo, naalala ko. Napakaganda talaga niyan.
Ano to? Ano tong damit na to? Anong naalala mo dito?
Rabbit.
Dagat!
Ribbon.
Gaga! Ano naalala mo sa damit na to?
Kaya yung time na pumunta tayo sa isang lugar na napaka-importante sa'yo kasama mo yung taong mahal mo.
Gaga! Hindi mo naalala. Just sumasa ka. Ito yung... Ito yung suot ko nung Christmas Day last year.
Ah, yung nagkakilala tayo.
Oo, tsaka si Sioma po. Kinain ng shit ka, hindi yung natatandaan. O, sasama natin yan. Teka lang. And of course, we should not forget our panty, our underwear. So, this is my panty drawer here. At, kaso lang konti lang yung nandito kasi most of them are already used and abused. And ito na lang. Kaso ano, tinan mo, konti lang yung panty ko dito. Tapos may mga brief. Oh, may brief. Kanina brief to?
Hindi ko alam.
Laki. So I'm thinking of something else to bring, pero ang laki ng oras na ginugugulan to sa paghahanap ng mga damit. And I think I already have what I need. Galing na to, dalawang shorts and everything, mga ganang-ganan. Just come on. Mali ka na naman. Una ka. Ayan. Alright, parang vlogger na vlogger tayo. Day. O diba? Ako tamo. Just come on. Good morning everyone! Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Cubao kung saan napakaraming mga terminal and marami papunta ng Baguio. So, bago ako gumora, hanap muna ako ng unan sa, sa leeg. Kagaya nito, oh. Charan! Pag nandito ka lang sa Cubao, madali na lang pumunta sa mga provinces kasi nandito na lahat ng mga terminals. Kaya makikita nyo. So, mahalaga na meron tayong mga una sa leeg kasi mahirap makatulog sa bus. Okay, so bibili muna ako, ha? So, mga matitibay, nakabili na tayo ng unan for our neck and bibili muna tayo ng drinks so para hindi tayo mauhaw sa biyahe. Okay, so dahil may hangover tayo, mas advisable na ang bili natin ay 7-Up or Sprite or Mountain Dew. Anything na soda, basta hindi dark yung color. I don't know what's the explanation about it, pero based from my experiences, yun yung mas effective pang patanggal ng hangover. Okay. Cheers! Good morning everyone, it's 1 a.m. and nandito na tayo sa bus sa Cubao, Pagora ng Baguio and alis na ang bus. Good morning, Baguio City! Good morning mga matitibay, and we are here in Baguio City. We are here in Burnham Park and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Malamang a.m. in the morning. And I've noticed something na yung mga tao dito, they kind of like so health conscious kasi ang daming tao nag-jogging and everything. Look. Parang almost everyone is into sports. Oh my God, ang alamig dito, in fairness. Na-allergic rhinoceros na naman na Kira, mga day! Okay, dahil hindi pa tayo kumakain, magbe-breakfast muna tayo dito sa may Kamayan sa Ganza. So, let's see kung anong peg ng lafang nila dito. Okay, let's come on! From Burnham Park, now we are here in Mines View Park. Let's come on. Okay, so pababa na tayo doon para makita natin yung magandang view dito sa Mines View. And dito, bago ka pumunta doon, makikita mo ang daming mga tindang mga plants and flowers. At syempre, ito yung famous Christmas flower, which is poinsettia. Ang ganda dito, nakaka-refresh, mga matitibay. Oh my God, it's so refreshing. Bukod sa weather, the feeling is very heart lifting, something like that. And meron silang tinda ditong lemon. Tcharan! At syempre, hindi mawawala ang sunflower. Ganda. Okay, so gugora na tayo doon. Ay, doon.